I would like to clarify, as mentioned earlier, Border Security Force has no power of investigation. We do not have power of registration of FIR. Whatever search, seizure or arrest that we make, it is handed over to the concerned law enforcement agencies, that also includes the state police. And it is for them to register FIR and take further action, whatever is required in the matter. In the context of state of West Bengal, was provided as 15 kilometer. Recently, on 11th October 2021, Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs has notified 3 separate notifications. One notification is under Criminal Procedure Code 1973. The second notification is under Passport Entry into India Act 1920. Third notification is under Passport Act 1967. The jurisdiction of Border Security Force in the state of West Bengal, Assam and Punjab has been extended up to 50 kilometers, and in the state of Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura, the jurisdiction of Border Security Force covers the whole state. As you are aware, Border Security Force is the first line of defense of the country and is mandated to guard and secure our international border along Pakistan and Bangladesh. Eastern Command is mandated to look after the Eastern Theatre, that is along our international border with Bangladesh, which spans over approximately 4,142 kilometers. Border Security Force has very limited power under these acts, that is power of search, seizure and arrest. Border Security Force is not a investigating agency. In whatever search, seizure is made at the border, whosoever is apprehended, they are handed over to the concerned law enforcement agency. We have a very comfortable relationship with the state police. There is synergy between state police, Border Security Force and other law enforcement agencies at all levels. Time to time we interact, we share intelligence, information. At times we also conduct joint operations, both at the border as well as the hinterland. As a result of the 3 notifications which I mentioned, jurisdiction of Border Security Force in the state of West Bengal has been enhanced up to 50 kilometers. As has come out in some of the media reports, there is some apprehension that Border Security Force will now start interfering with the law and order machinery in the state when the jurisdiction has been extended up to 50 kilometers.